This 3D design is made of gel polish. In this video, I will show you how to create this look, and we're going to unpack some of my new Modelones gel polishes. Coming up. Hello guys, Anastasia here. Let's take a look at this Modelones 3-piece kit. We have base coat, top coat, and matte top coat. I love wood lid design, it looks so stylish, and also this is an intention to protect the environment with using less plastic materials. This is recycled wood, super eco-friendly. All the wood lid gel polishes are with special formula and they meet European standard. The bottle design of Modelones wood lid gel are supported with design patents. Let's take a look at the consistency. It is medium thin. This is the first color called Light, and it is a bit transparent. As you can see, if you would like to get an intense color, you will definitely need 2 or maybe even 3 coats in order to get a nice olive color. Next one is called Hope, and this one is more intense. This is just 1 coat. Next one is Miranda Pink. I can already tell which clients will like this shade. Beautiful dusty pink color. Edelweiss is a bright white color. Wow, this one is so intense. I love mint color and definitely using this one today on my client. This one has a number and is a beautiful dark red color. We also have black that will not wrinkle even if you apply a thick coat like this. And we also have a few glitter colors. Diamond Rain is a silver glitter color. Then we have Shiny Pearl, which is champagne bronze pearl color. Golden High Heel looks so hot. I think it's glitter with the small particles of golden foil. Then we have Pinky Drink. This one also seems to have some kind of foil particles in it. We definitely need to try that one. Then we have a purple ring, which is a pearl color, and magic blue. This one looks like a night sky or something. And finally we have a glitter night, which is a dark brown with hollow glitter. And another one, which is not a glitter, is called Wizard. This is a dark purple color. This is the entire swatch we just did. This is not the collection. Each color is available separately, and since I already worked with Modelones products and gel polishes in particular, I have to say that they're awesome and I can definitely recommend them. These are the nails of my new client, and on some nails, especially the thumbs and on index finger, she has some cracks on the sides. And it happened because looks like the apex is missing. Just take long natural nails and apply gel polish on top usually is not enough, especially when the nails are that long. You need to build the structure, create the apex, the same way you would do when doing extensions. Looks like it didn't happen this time. Most nails are really flat. Actually, most of the product that I can see on the nails came from the color. We can see some purple lilac shade underneath and also a couple coats of cat eye gel polish and supposedly a top coat. And this was the only thing that kept this nail from breaking. We can see a really deep crack on this index finger, so I'm carefully filing it off. We have plenty of lifting almost on each nail, so I carefully take it off with a carbide bit. Most of these nails are very thin on the free edge and they also have a different length. And our goal is to make the length match on each nail. So you need to find the shortest nail out of them all and then match all the rest of the nails to it. You also need to consider that the length of the nail bed may vary from one nail to the other. Take a look at this. We have a long nail bed on index finger while the ring finger has a shorter one. But once we apply the color, you will not be able to see it. You will only see the overall length starting from the cuticle all the way to the free edge. So make sure they match in that way. Then we proceed to the dry manicure. I'm using a diamond flame bit and clean the nail plate as well as cuticles. Then I'm going to trim the cuticles and aponychium with Manicure cuticle scissors, and once it's all clean, we proceed to the prep. I'm going to apply dehydrator and non-acid primer only on the free edge, and then a thin coat of the base coat, and this one is from the kit of Modelones. There are a few techniques to apply base coat. You can apply a thin coat and cure it in LED for 30 seconds, or you can apply a thin coat and cure it, and then you can add a little bit more, a thicker coat, and make sure it's even on the top. And this is how we can create a little bit of structure on the nail. And this is what I'm doing now. But be careful, since the consistency is a bit runny, you need to be fast, otherwise it may flood the sidewall a little bit. Then we're going to apply the color. I picked Mint, and wow, this one is so intense, even just one coat has such a good coverage. And another color will be Hope. I think they match together really well. Even though the one coat looks great with the two coats, I think they will still look better. Do not press on the brush too much to avoid stroke lines and uneven surface. After curing each coat for 1 minute in LED, I'm going to take off the sticky layer. I'm going to do that because we're about to do a 3D design. By the way, if you would like to proceed to top coat, then you do not need to do that. Just apply the top coat and that will be it. I'm going to use the same color I used for the background, Mint, and I added a little bit of clear acrylic powder. By Modelones too, by the way. And this is how I get this thick consistency gel that we may use to create a 3D object. You can do whatever you like, flowers, lines, dots, but I decided to go with the Old English style letters. I printed the alphabet just as a reference so I can see an example on how to create these letters. To create an S, simply do the 3 lines first. The distance from the second and third line should be slightly longer compared to the distance from the first and second one, and then simply connect them with the 2 curves. Basically, S is like a snake. This may look a little complicated, but trust me, it's not. And the best part is you don't really need to get this perfect, super smooth and even surface, because we're going to seal these letters later with the matte top coat anyways. If you wish to have a more 3D, and I definitely do, as well as my client, I'm going to add more. I simply outline the letters using the same color on the top, so now we have more volume and more dimension. By the way, can you already tell which word we are about to create? When you're mixing powder with the gel, I think the proportion is about 50 to 50%. Cure for 1 minute in LED, then I'm going to seal it with the matte top coat. Make sure that you cover the letter as well as the entire surface of the nail. Even though matte top coats are usually used on top of the dark colors, I really like pastel colors, neon colors when they're covered with matte. This cute satin look is so awesome. With a thin brush, I take off some excess matte top coat so the letters will stand out more. But there's one nuance when working with matte top coat and light colors. You need to warn your client if she is going to wash her jeans or dye her hair. She needs to be really careful and wear gloves all the time, because matte top coats may absorb some colors and we definitely do not want them to change the color. Then I cure it for 30 seconds in LED and the design is finished. Check out these cute Lady Boss matte nails. They remind me of some kind of candies. And this is the other hand, by the way. We tried other Modelones colors, and as you can see, they're awesome. I really enjoyed creating this design. This is so much fun. All the links to the products that I used will be in the description box, as well as the discount code. Do not forget to use it in order to get an additional discount. Thank you so much for watching. If you're first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new nail art tutorials and product reviews just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!